2023 Honda Series CB announced anniversary 30th very special and have new colors change update, with the price and release dates, that you need to know full special from Honda CB series. Hello, welcome to Motorcycles TV. Honda in Europe official announcement new Honda Cb1300 Super 4, Cb1300 Super 4 Bold Door. That you know ready Honda Cb1300 is kind of the best sound exhaust motorcycle in the world. Okay, for the all-new Honda Cb1300 Super 4 releases date on January 26, 2023, especially price for this model that we expect is around $11,000 in per unit. For the Honda Super Cb1300 Bold Door release date on January 26, 2023, the same Honda Cb1300 Super 4, for the price is around $11,500 in per unit with including tax. For the Honda Cb1300 Super 4 SP is released on December 15, 2022. This model will available before 2 model above, and the price for this model is around $13,500 in per unit. The last one Honda Cb1300 Super Bold Door release on 15 December 2022 released same day Honda Cb1300 Super 4 SP. We estimate price for this model around $14,200 in per unit. How do you think? Do you have the plan to buy this product? Please let me know by comment below. Okay, after watch my video above, please subscribe my channel, like and share my video. Thanks for watching.